A PhD can be a really exciting offer for someone who wants to dig deeper. In these rushing times where people are just following like all their passions and all their dreams, sometimes we still have to hold on and for several years learn to really focus on one problem. And then we should solve this. So everybody who is interested to improve themselves, to kind of commit to lifelong learning, that is, I think, the right track. This is what our future PhD students should bring to the table. What is exciting about Leuphana is that the research groups here are very active. And this is for us an exciting opportunity because we can make research together and we learn together. You know, for us it's really, really important that the PhD students understand that they are doing science. I think what is most moved in science, it's actually done by PhD students. And Leuphana is moving a lot. There's ample opportunities to integrate yourself into the teaching. And this is a great experience again, which I think is part of the PhD track. You need to learn how academia works and you need to understand how it feels to stand in front of a lot of people and trying to transport your insight into their heads. So we need to understand that science is not independent of society, it's a part of it. And this is of course also what Leuphana stands for and why sustainability science plays such a central role at Leuphana University. What is also unique about Leuphana is that you have a PhD program. Any PhD is like a Greek tragedy, where you have a start, you have a downfall, and then you have triumph. You know, and this journey you need to do together. So you need to learn still together with other PhD students so that you can connect. That you are in the same context, maybe even in similar situations, maybe even from the same working group, and that you learn to exchange. But the exciting part is that you also exchange with students from a totally different context, and that breeds innovation. This is where we are really unique because you have such a diversity of students together in the same courses. Here they are learning together, they are questioning each other, and they are moving each other forward. So, and this is for us also as teachers then a great learning space because we get a diversity of insight that you have nowhere else. And we have that in a structured program so the students can choose, they can have a diversity of courses, but they can still give it their own direction. And that is of course important because then it challenges students. It's not something where you say, I start my PhD and then I end it, but in between there are many steps in the journey that you need to reflect. And there the courses are a great opportunity to reflect together with other students.